dude. I was gonna complain, but Jesus, dude. No, I'm not going
I
to.
was gonna complain. Yeah, I send my steps. I get like 17,000 steps, bro. Almost 20,000 steps. In between that range. 15 to 20,000 steps.
You're just walking the whole day. You
All
get in
day.
work and you walk until you get in your car again.
Yeah. Literally my walk to like where I work is like a
Oh, bro, that's crazy. I respect you even more now, dude. That's wild.
I literally don't even need the gym at this point.
Nah, dude, definitely not. You just lift up boxes and fucking walk. That's the gym. That's literally what the gym is.
I got a 15-minute IFN here.
Yeah,
Watching that
so
go.
cool.
ES is a little bit weaker.
Oh yeah, a little bit
I
weaky,
wonder what the
just
rest
a little.
parameters would be. Holy shit, bro. Rest parameters are
Dude,
so fucking tight right
yeah, I
now.
was gonna say like $1 million for one micro. I don't even have Ninja open. I call it a week. What's good? New water bottle, bro? New shirt? Who is this guy? Hit the fucking Columbia outlet, dude.
Oh, IFN right there.
Yeah, I've been eating salt to get hydrated too, dude. It's actually been I feel so much better, dude. I think I've just been dehydrated for like a year.
Like, do you like put it in your food or do you put it in your
Nah,
water?
I just grab a little pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt and I just eat it like a pill, like twice a day.
Would it work the same if you put it in your food?
Yeah, I'm sure it would. It's just getting in your body, you know. Those electrolytes.
Electrolytes are everything. It's not just hydration.
Bro. And that's been my missing key, my missing element. Just drink so much water, honestly, just dehydrating myself. I'm like, yo, why do I feel so dehydrated? Let me drink more water. Why do I feel worse?
Oh, I feel worse.
Yeah, I'm trying, dude.
Himalayan sea salt.
Yeah, it's
What
got a
about
lot of
that?
good shit in it.
What about that Celtic sea salt?
I don't know. It's probably good. Just sea salt's good for you, dude. If you use sea salt, it's got so many natural minerals.
Sea salt? Do you use sea salt?
Sea salt, if you ride the sea salt,
Do you use sea salt? Sea salt.
I don't know what you're asking.
Do you use sea salt or sea salt? Oh shit! This shit's been all the way over here the whole time. Crazy.
All time lows, dude.
All time lows, baby.
All time lows.
Yo, what up, boys?
Yo, Sean, turn your camera on, dude.
I am. I'm about to surprise Ty with some shit he's on, dude.
Oh, here we
A
go.
buzz cut. Think Sean's better have a buzz cut. Oh shit.
I started sleeping with these things.
The nose strips.
I love it. I
It's
literally just
actually,
thought it. I thought
it
about
does
buying
help with breathing.
the bridge thing.
Dude, it definitely helps.
Bro, what the fuck, dude? Are we about to witness a historic day in the market?
I mean, fuck.
Every
Whatever.
day's historic these days, dude. Literally every day. We're just living in history right now, dude.
I know.
Every year of our lives, they're gonna write a history book about it.
Crazy.
be all history.
What up, boys?
What
I
up?
was watching your stream, dude. You fucking, how was your liquidity yesterday?
How was your
Me?
liquidity?
Or Alex?
You.
You shorted?
I went short.
Same. I was short at lunch or during lunch, and I got fucking absolutely ran over. I entered short and just never went to profit and just instantly ripped my stop loss away.
I was too married to the idea.
I mean,
mean,
you were still right, dude.
Dude, I saw someone tweet this. It's like, it's worse to be right at the wrong time. It's so some shit like that. It's like,
And to be wrong at the right time?
I'm confused by that, dude. That got me. That stumped me. Does not compute.
Go. Where the fuck's your coffee cup, dude?
This right here, dude. I just didn't feel like doing the transfer today. I had to heat it up in the
Yes, she's
microwave.
sliding.
Bruh.
Yes.
Is this like your YM thing, dog? Yeah, she is sliding though.
Goes the show. Dude, that bear setup was sick yesterday.
Bro. I was at
It had
work.
everything, and all time frames were there on the higher time frames. Weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and it just kept going higher and higher and higher. I was like,
Dude,
I was not looking to go long at all yesterday. Took one short, lost, and called it a fucking day.
me too. Me fucking too.
Yeah, regular trading
Dude.
hours. You guys see those? It left the relative equal highs in the regular trading hours.
Relative
The
eats
Yeah, on the 5 minute at like
yesterday.
yeah, what time? Like 10 o'clock. If you look at 10 o'clock and like the time before that, it left PM session high, yesterday's high. It was super clean. That's why I took a last leg based on that.
Yeah, I was waiting for that to get ripped and then tried to short it afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
Still wanted to keep going, dude.
Yeah,
I was so
just
pumped when it
fucking
started
went.
ripping higher at 9:30. I was like, dude, this is
Dude, that's
perfect.
exactly what I had in my analysis.
So pumped, dude. I was like, oh, here we go, buy side.
Oh my god, dude. I literally went short on that 1 minute breaker at like fucking, which was
I know,
stupid
dude.
because the 5 and the 15 were bullish as fuck.
Hey, man. Could have been sick, though.
But Alex, it's
He
being
said
right.
could have been sick.
Yeah.
Being right, but early sucks just as much as being wrong.
Everything sucks.
Yeah, but we don't suck, bro.
Except us, yeah.
He said
Except us.
everything sucks.
Everything about losing a trade sucks, dude.
Yeah.
Whether you're early, late, break even, whatever, dude.
Big Al, I can tell you one thing that doesn't suck.
What doesn't suck?
You.
Ha.
Yeah,
That's right.
Misty boys.
I'm short right now, ES on my sim account.
That's sick, dude.
I love it.
Dude, are we going for fucking 2024 lows? Like, I'm looking at NQ and ES and like, what's next, bro? It's fucking August low.
2024 lows.
August low, we're already at the midwick on the monthly for ES.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Dude, if we take out last year's low in fucking April,
Dude,
it's like the most bullish year ever last year, dude.
I know. I mean, I definitely like these relative equal lows on NASDAQ from August.
Where are we at? Yeah. I
It's
love
crazy,
it.
dude. We're
I
just
love
out
you
of
keep me
targets.
thinking, dude. You keep
We're
me
just
thinking,
out of,
Big Sean.
we're just out of targets, man.
You say some shit like that, and I'm like, what the fuck?
925, just an absolute ripper. Good thing I'm not short my
How's
actual
your
account.
demo? How's your demo short, dude?
Oh, what do you mean? How is it? It's getting absolutely mutts right now, and I love it.
Is it
God.
just in drawdown? Butts.
Oh, completely. Yeah, mutzed. Yeah, drawdown.
Mutts.
Yeah,
Mozzarella.
my demo account, dude.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, it's down $2,000 right now on 4 minis. It went
Nice.
got like
Mutts.
10 points. You like that one?
I've never heard
Alex?
that, dude. I gotta look that up.
He
dude.
keeps
What does that
saying it.
mean?
He just says mutts. Mutts.
Yeah, I've never heard it before.
Yeah. You like it? You can adopt it.
Yeah, just like you adopted bullish as a mug.
You won't ever live that down.
No, dude. Mutts, dude. Mutts is a slang term for fresh mozzarella.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, when something. What are you on Urban
Oh.
Dictionary?
Also a slang term for when your trade's in drawdown.
It is now, dude.
No, that's what it says on the Google.
I'm going to Urban Dictionary. Cooked. Cooked is the word of the day.
Cooked.
A
funny.
way to describe the scenario, person, or object in an extremely negative way. Cooked.
Nice.
Ty, are
I
you
don't even know how to
live?
spell
Negative.
mutzed. How you spell mutzed?
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Because it's not must. Oh,
M-U-T-Z.
Mutzed.
Hey, my grandma's from Sicily. We got some mutts. Yeah, bro. One of my
Mutts.
accounts is in mutts right now.
Everything's in mutts right now.
I know, dude.
My accounts are mutts as a mug.
I miss the Biden markets, bro.
shit, this fuck.
I don't know what's better.
Would you rather be a
They both are-
successful trader or live in like a thriving long-term US? I question that sometimes.
Well, fuck, it'll be
Well,
thriving
why
to
not
me,
both,
so.
dude? Yeah, why not both?
What do you- I'll be thriving.
I can't have both. Why are those mutually exclusive?
I don't know, man. No, they're not, but
Would I rather be in everybody's happiness or my happiness? Damn, I have to go with everybody's then. Fuck.
Yeah, mine. Fuck everybody else, dude. Me just suffer or everyone else suffer?
Yeah, it's kind of. That's
Maybe
kinda
we'll get a
crazy.
1 hour immediate rebounds. Must. Like it, dude. I
I'd
can get
rather
on board
not
with
see it go
that.
all the way up there.
Alright,
Fucking
noted.
drop.
Drop the mutts.
I don't think I've ever seen NQ down more than like maybe 5%.
What is there right now?
It's at 4.5. I think what's the famous day? It's like the October crash of like 89 or something. Markets were down like 10+%. Dude, if markets are down 10+%, like that's a fucking problem.
Yeah, we're at war.
What about if they're down 10% in like 3 months?
Yeah, I mean that's different.
Definitely a
It's
Yeah,
problem.
man.
different.
Can you imagine how many stops will get run if we just fucking ran 1,500 points right now on Nasdaq?
Yeah, dude, a lot of them.
Well, shit, not mine, because I'm fucking short.
You're such a
You're
bitch.
sick, dude.
Yeah,
All those stops are just all times TPs.
Exactly. I'll take that lick, boy.
Do, 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 do.
So what's the draw, boys?
Yesterday's low, and then ES is relative equal highs. That's what I would say. Oh, it's 9:30. How you doing?
Yeah, how big's the open range gap?
Pretty small.
Oh, 100 points? Nice. Wait, no.
Where's
time
the
out.
fucking
a thousand
Yeah,
points?
dude.
There we go.
Holy fuck, dude.
Looked at the wrong
Is it
number.
actually 1,000 points?
What a day, dude.
Bro, we got
Good
another
show.
1,000 points until those August lows.
Yo, 50% of regular trading hours is a draw.
You think we'll fill that up a
Past
little bit? Alex, there you go.
hit.
You leave the relative equal lows and you fucking go for the highs.
No, I didn't want that, dude. I didn't. I
know.
changed my bias.
That was
Just
your
because I
first
said
one,
it once doesn't. Yeah, but that's some bullshit. I said it once. Gotta keep the
Nah, that's
accountability.
perfect.
ICT doesn't stay accountable, you know. I gotta
No.
keep it.
That's big time.
ICT will be like, yo, one time I set a level and it got hit. Must be
Yes.
random.
He has been doing that shit.
I deleted his Telegram, dude. I'm done with it.
You're done with
Dude,
ICT.
I think
Yeah, I'm
there's a
done listening to
certain.
his shit, dude.
I think
don't
there's
need him
this. There's a certain point where it's not beneficial to like.
Yeah, bro.
You've
We'll
heard.
be like, yo, we'll be like sell side NASDAQ, and then it'll run the highs. And then like 3 hours later, it'll take the lows, and he's like, must be random. I'm like, bro, who are you helping right now?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Like, if you just had a stop loss the size of the last 3 days range, you would be in profit. I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna delete this shit.
Man, Alex is hating, bro.
Nah, dude, I'm just real.
Whoa,
There's a
yo.
difference.
I don't disagree with you, dude.
Do you agree?
Nah, I do agree, but I still think ICT is legit. I just think,
Yeah, I do too. I just don't want to hear what he has to say every day.
yeah, I agree.
I mean, 100% of what I know about the market is from him.
Well,
So I just-
95, bro. You've developed your own little.
It's true. Let's go. Good looks. Hey, good looks.
Yeah, bro.
Breaker. Bearish breaker.
Shorts long's about to get trapped and get mutzed.
That's right.
Yeah.
Get mutts, buddy. Get mozzarella. Oh, I blew one of my fucking what's it called? My Funny Futures account because it went all the way to drawdown and it hit it by like $1 or $2. And then it went all the way back up to like near my take profit. And I was like, one of them got liquidated and the other two were like a penny away. I was like,
Dude,
all right, well,
how
fuck.
is that happening?
What?
We couldn't try to make this happen.
What,
This
that?
streak of just getting this streak of just getting whipped out by a point. Like all three of us are just getting fucked by that.
Yeah.
It's insane.
It is insane. It's just like, dude, even my winning trades, they're not fully going to DP.
Yeah, my winning trades are like $1. Sick.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I've lost.
And I'll lose like
a lot of
50.
money.
I'll lose like 80 to like 150 a day. Make $1 back and like, all right, good week.
Dude, holy shit, that opening range. Is it actually 1,000 points?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Big Sean, how's the weather over in Cali? Is it perfect this time of year?
Yeah, dude, it's nice. It's probably like 65, 70 today.
Oh, Big Al. By the way, I'm going to San Diego in September with my girl.
You're going to San Diego in September.
Dude, he's going to not even fucking visit me though. How fucked up is that?
You're not even visiting him?
I am visiting. I'm going to be like,
I
hey,
know.
of course.
Dude, that's crazy. I've never heard of anyone doing an all-inclusive there, but that's a sick area.
All inclusive
no, I'm
in
hyped.
California.
How much
Yeah,
is it a night there, dude?
we haven't even looked at. I think it's gonna be like $2,000 all in for each of us, like for the room and for the flight and all that.
And unlimited
Really?
drinks and food.
What the hell?
Yep.
For how long?
Yep.
Like a day?
No, a week. What the fuck you talking
$2
about?
grand? Nah, there's no way.
What do you mean? Yeah.
All you can eat and drink and round trip for $2 grand.
Well, dude, cruises are like is the same thing, and it's like $500 for a week for a cruise.
No, dude. Depends
I
where
think-
you're going. No, maybe on like a huge discount.
Well, no, bro, I can get a Carnival cruise from Florida, cruise around all the Caribbean and stuff, and for a week, and do it for $500.
You be a cruise guy?
I love cruises, bro.
Dude,
Oh,
my
you're
mom
crazy.
is the biggest fucking cruise human alive.
I love them, dude. I love the water.
I've
I
never
love just
even I've
being
never
able to
even been on
see
a
stuff.
cruise,
Like
but
you
I
could
know I
do
don't like
everything.
them.
It's sick.
Got hive
Um,
session.
yeah. But anyway, yeah, Sean, if she wouldn't let me see you, I'd be like, all right, well, I'm breaking up with you,
Well,
and
bro,
I'm
I'm
gonna go
gonna
see
come see
Sean.
you, dog.
Good.
Yeah,
I'm
I'll
like,
pick
yeah,
your
fuck
bitch
yeah.
ass up.
You can come to Mission Bay. Is that what it's called, or
Dude,
Mission
maybe
Beach?
I'll come and I'll just fifth wheel, dude.
Dude,
That sounds really fun.
I used to live in
Or
PB.
bring your mistress.
My
Yeah,
what?
dude,
Your
that's long gone.
mistress.
Oh yeah, she's gone, dude. She's gone with the
Yeah, I
wind. She's
know.
fucking my homie Will.
Nuh-uh.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, dude. She just slid right. I introduced the two of them, and now they're fucking. It's crazy.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's
Good for
insane. It's a
them.
little insane, dude. That's it, dude. You can just tip your cap to him.
I guess.
No, I'd
It's
rather
not
fifth
like an
wheel, dude.
Arizona situation. You give him the blessing.
Yeah, yeah, right. He
So
asked
you're
me
the
that,
homie
dude.
hit.
So I said, he goes, "Yo, do you care?" I was like, "Whatever you want, dude. I'm not in charge."
Yo, so the homie's hitting.
Yeah, I let the homies hit it, dude.
That's right.
That's how you
Love
know I'm a
for
real one.
Little cuck boy, love it.
it. Shut the fuck up.
Oh,
God,
love it.
that's
Love
fucked
it.
up, man. He called him a cock boy.
Little cuck boy.
That's so funny. Yeah, I just watch.
Oh, yeah.
He's in the room.
He's like, "Yo, Alex, is that cool if we look up?" I'm like, "I'm cool as long as I can watch.
Well, so I could see it. I need to fucking see it.
Need to watch." He was like, "Oh yeah, dude, I get it."
ICT
Wow,
says
look at that.
assignment for Friday and today. Stay solvent. Wow, what
He
an
said
assignment.
sidelined.
Well, stay solvent is technically what he said, but yes, sideline.
Solvent.
Solvent, yes, the word solvent.
Solvent, like
Can you
something
say
that
that
gets
one more time?
dissolved into something.
Yeah, what do you mean by that, dude?
Is that what solvent is? Or is the solvent the dissolver?
Dude.
Well, dissolving means to like fucking actually like
Yeah, but
Solvent
in
means
when
to
something
basically
gets
stay
dissolved, there's a
afloat.
solute and a solvent. And one of them is the thing that gets, like if you put salt in water, water I think is the solute, not the solvent. And then the salt is the solute.
Dog, I
Yeah.
did
There's just
green. I'm not a
there's
chemist.
words for it, dude. I don't know.
so
I
it's
just don't
just
understand what
still. So just be
he's
fucking
yeah, I'm
still.
not sure how that means sit still though. Missed me
Let's
on
look it
that.
up on Urban Dictionary. Fuck it.
Solvent. Stay solvent. Stay
Solvent.
dissolving things.
Having assets and access of liabilities. Wow. It's a financial
basically-
term first.
It literally just means staying alive. That's it. That's
Able to
what it
pay for one's debts. Interest rates rise, have very severe effects on normal solvent companies. Wow.
So it just means wait till next week.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah, I think the
I've been-
literal
I've been
term is
waiting
wait till next week.
Been
Yo,
waiting for a
if
lot
we
of
take
it.
these highs, bro. Yeah, I've been waiting for next week since 5 years ago, but that's actually fucked up, dude.
Yeah, how
I
could you
thought
even
about
joke
that,
about
yeah.
that?
I'm
Yesterday,
just
dude.
playing.
I got stopped out at lunch and I went, well, now I have to wait till next week because it's Thursday and Friday and I can't trade those days. So market maker sell model's gonna be gnarly once we take out the highs. Been waiting for next week for 5 years. I'm gonna put that in a song, dude. Holy shit.
You been writing
Let's
music,
write
Big
some
Al?
music. Yeah, I'm gonna start. I started taking guitar lessons.
Did you
It's been
actually?
incredible. Yeah, been amazing, dude.
Damn.
I'm trying to be nice as fuck with the guitar.
You are, dude.
No, I'm not, but one day I could be.
Oh,
Trading up into that Nadog on Nazi D. Fat boy Nadog. 2022 model right here. Fucking ripper.
let's see if the ICT's models work in this condition.
You guys gonna short?
Yeah, I just shorted.
So you think we'll go take out the lows and then the highs?
Well, we just traded up into a premium of that range. Took out some buy side. Sell side looks a lot cleaner than buy side here.
That's true, dude. If we're trading in a consolidation, sketchy business, trying to call it from the 50% regardless.
Uh, 18, 19.
50% of consolidation. And we got relative equal highs and lows, but SMT on the highs. So I guess it's more bearish than bullish, right? Give me some
I guess
feedback,
we'll
boys.
fucking see.
All right. Appreciate that. I needed something.
First presented right there, closed inside of it. Oh, what a fucking short. Wow. What a 2022 short. 5-minute Fairvey. How you doing?
Hey man, we doing pretty fucking good. We doing pretty fucking
Reclaiming that breaker from 8 a.m.
15-minute balance range from 840, 915. Gonna be absolutely mutzed. That's a great level. Dude, I'm up $1 million right now.
Nah, dude. You're not.
He said, nah, dude. ICT said first presented here. Thank you. After it already hit. And
Yeah,
from
good
there.
luck, dog. Right.
He's gonna
Great
call
comms.
low of day and then in an hour be like, do you not believe?
Make sure that Tom I can't trade.
Bro,
Do, 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 do.
I love him. He's my Lord and Savior. SMT on the high skis?
Yeah.
I mean, dude, this is a beautiful setup. It's just.
We're just reading the tape, my dog. The dog.
Patty, no. What happened, bro? I thought you bought those closes. Bye. Oh, those wicks get you out? I mean, dude, these are massive. Like, dude, the price is just way too close to each other. Like, 10 points is like fucking wild. First presented holding up. Nice.
Equals on. Yes. This looks fucking weird. I guess it's just weaker.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I still like the short here. I'm just going to tape read for short.
Yeah.
Big time.
That's all you can do, eh?
Yep. Midwick, 942. Fucking shorted again. Short.
Get my screenshots out.
942.
Doing stop loss a little bit lower. Repulsion block right here, 1 minute.
Yeah, I don't even want that 1 minute breakaway gap to be touched. That one, the whole balance price range inside of that breaker.
Yep, I
Breaker
like
low should
that
be
narrative.
chilling, dude. First presented breaker low.
Love the narrative.
That should be a motherfucking como se dice brick wall.
Love the narrative. Good reaction right there.
Yeah.
5 minute just
Reclaiming
closed.
that-
15 minutes just closed.
Reclaiming that 8 a.m. breaker on the 5 minute.
Where's the midwick of the 15 minutes? Basically that
Which is
bottom of the
huge,
breakaway
dude.
gap. So definitely want to stay up below that.
That 8 a.m. breaker low is huge because it was like the last time we had a liquidity run. Important level for the algorithm to offer.
Reclaimed. So we're inside of that and this 1 minute breaker. Beautiful.
Multi-level breaker. It is going a little slow.
You got
Yeah, she's
news at
definitely
10,
printing.
right?
Yeah. She's definitely printing here, I'll tell you that. ES is a little bit more bearish.
Dude, that's 944, 1 minute or block.
For Polsha
I
here.
want to see that. Respect it. Hit the high tie. High tie.
High
Hit the
tide.
open or the closing. Hit the close and reject.
Reject. Drop the base.
I would be nervous. I was sure right now.
Without a doubt,
Oh,
bro.
now I'll be less nervous.
Now I'd be nervous again.
Now I'd be more nervous again. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that.
ES, definitely the more bearish one.
That would not make my stoke tank full.
Yeah, it's printing barcodes here. Down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
Up, down, up, down. Up, down.
Or your wallet.
Holding it down here in BFE. Look, Al, 1 minute ES. 944. Close.
Dude,
Banger.
what a short. If we just respect all these 1 minute highs, that'd be so sick.
ES
Just
tanking.
yoink. Yeah, I think Nasdaq's gonna just yoink.
Get through this 1 minute inversion.
It
Alright,
definitely
tap.
should get
Go,
doinked.
go.
Short on every live account I've ever had.
Summon the other ones. Even if I've blown them and brought them back.
Exactly. I brought it back from the dead. Shorted them.
Oh, a block, double propulsion block.
Double.
Just absolute balanced price range. Price is quite balanced in that range. Trading right to the 50% of it.
Oh, right there.
Oh,
Short.
that's it.
Short. No way it prints a bold candle here. If it does, I'm selling it again. Yep. Sell.
Dang, dude.
I
It's got
sold
to
it
teleport
again.
now.
That's right. Close inside of
Teleportation
it.
lower. Must commence now.
It's kind of wild.
Wow, right to the 50% of that 1 minute range. That's crazy.
Good, easy.
That's fractals a mug. Dude, go to the 15-second and look at that 50% of that 15-second range. And we got that pattern, dude, the up, down, up candles.
Yep.
Time to go down.
Wait, Big Al. ES 946 again. That wick, that close. Oh my god.
Wow. How you doing?
Fucking
What's
crazy.
up, Al?
I love it.
What's up, high resistance liquidity on algorithm signatures? That's exactly what that is. Dude. That's a clean high resistance sig.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm short as a mug.
Oh fuck.
She goes.
Yeah, hold on, Kay.
Dude, this is what do they call this?
High resistance
NFP
liquidity, right?
6.
Yeah, do you think we hit off the 16th level of the opening range gap?
What?
Yeah, 16th level of the opening range gap we tapped into?
You divided it into 16ths?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we hit off the 16th level.
Got it.
We said got
Stop run.
it. Stop run? Sell? Oh wait, shit, I bought. There we go. I meant to sell. I bought one back. I'm like, fuck.
First presented, stop run.
First P, get it closed below it. I'll throw another one in there just because we're inside of it. Just based on principle. Give me the Mohawk. I'll short the Mohawk. Shorten the Mohawk. Oh, well, that's a huge Mohawk. Good close inside. Fuck it. Missed the SL by a tick because the full closure of the breakaway gap would have hit my stop loss. Oh, give me that Mohawk, boy. Give me a little close.
2 seconds.
Ah, fucker.
There she
Alright.
goes, and she's gone.
Stop loss at that swing high on the 1 minute right there.
Womp
Damn.
womp.
Damn. Much money did I lose? Holy shit, down 9 grand today.
I can't wait till that's like 1R.
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
That's sick, dude.
That is nice. To trade with 10 G's. I had a dream last night that someone was going to give me $100,000. I go, what? Are you fucking crazy?
I had a dream I ate a bee.
Damn, that's a hell of a dream.
Yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to mean, dude.
Talk to Carl Young, dude. Break it, break it, break it, break it.
Damn,
Fuck it.
wicks me out.
I'm still in my demo short.
Wait, what? What was your stop loss at on your pretend trade?
Mine was the breakaway gap high.
Breakaway gap high.
Yeah. Because we extended lower from the first presented. I was short there. And then we went 25% into profit. So I'm like, all right, what's the next level? So instead of the breaker high was the breakaway gap high.
I'll give ICT this. First presenteds are very, 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 very real.
It's crazy.
Everything he's given us is real. Big Sean.
The Wagner dogs are fucking lit.
The Wog dog.
I mean, we're inside the
I remember
fucking
when
the
he-
dog.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Big Al. Sorry.
It's nothing crazy. I was just gonna say, I remember when he told us about Nawags for the first time, and I was like overwhelmed. So you're telling me I have to put a whole fucking chart on for these?
And then somebody in outer space made fucking indicator. And I was like, damn, that's
Yeah, and now someone and I just don't even check to make sure it's right. I just completely put my faith in this indicator every day.
that's hilarious. I'm short again. First presented.
Yeah, I dig it, dude.
ES just fucking falling off a cliff. I might just start short ES. Fuck it.
It's got potential. Put my
Potentially.
G's back
Sucker
on,
dumb.
dude.
Feel like a sucker demo trading NASDAQ right now, bro. It's so strong.
Maybe to the upside. First percentage.
YM swept the low.
Yeah, what day in September are you going to Big Sean's?
I don't know. Yeah, we haven't found a date. I actually have to change my fucking vacation. So we'll see. IO Fed, fucking ES. I'm looking at ES now. This bitch is weaker. Shit, I should be looking at YN. That bitch is the weakest.
Yeah, dude. Nice. Down like a million.
Why don't we trade YM?
Because ICT told us not to. That's that's the only reason I don't, to be honest.
It's funny.
If I'm gonna keep it a buck with you,
Hey man, I appreciate it, dog.
Damn. Short that 1 minute Fairby. ICT is gonna have a fucking tweet that comes out and says ES 953 fair value gap.
you think?
No.
Got it.
Buy limit. Damn, that's the real short right there, boys. There she goes. Yes, I'm up $1 million. What's the most contracts I can actually put on a trade? That'd be fucking wild.
Watch, ES gonna take Nasdaq's gonna catch it in the next like 15 minutes.
481.
Yeah, dude, Nasdaq's about to become more bearish. Because why not?
Damn, bro, VIX is up 25%.
Damn. BFE. Still rolling around with the bar scene. This free birds 5 minutes still deep, rolling up, down.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Nice, bro.
Well done. Little mixed market.
Trials and tribulations. Little trials and tribulations. Hamburgueta. In su abre.
Alright, what do we think happens at 10?
Joe. 10 tag. Was a real
Yeah, just
short.
go one-sided short move. That's what I'm thinking.
10 tag.
And like that.
Should have been short YM. Damn.
I don't think I've
YM.
ever even I've never even taken a trade on YM. Demo anything.
Dude, I'll demo it. Fuck it.
Bounce range. Sell, 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 sell.
Bro. I'm selling that. Fuck.
Dude, I feel like everyone's too bearish right now. We're probably gonna fucking rip this.
That'd be crazy if we just run daily highs at 10 too.
Just fucking take this whole range back from overnight.
That would be sick.
Short first presented again.
9:59.
Dude,
1 minute before news. Send it. Consolidation, mixed market. Send it.
this
Send
is
it.
gonna rip it, dude.
Yeah, I'm
short
everything right now.
It might be epic.
I'm short your mom.
I even shorted your mom.
I shorted every asset other than your mom. Because I was long talking to her.
I'm long your mom, short everything else.
Hi, what's up, buddy? What's up, Bubba? Oh. Oh, short Bubba.
So power 3 looks like we're going higher then. PO tree. Buy side is made jagged. Sell side Still smooth.
Shit, I accidentally fucking closed that. There we go.
I feel like everything's smooth.
You
Highs
think?
and lows. Yeah, everything's pretty smooth. The groovy smoothie.
Yeah, if I hit TP here, shit's gonna go fucking wild, boy.
Yeah.
Hunter, don't fucking trade this. This is all on a fucking sim account.
Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
Bro, NQ just loving this 930 FVG.
So much more.
Well, first P. How you doing?
Eh? First P, dude? What?
First P. First P of the day.
Bad times. Bad times.
First P. How you doing? Not now, I'm just saying. Just fucking ripping her.
Just say. Can't just say, dude.
Yeah, just say.
High resistance liquidity run.
Resistance.
Mucho resistance to going lower. Ain't going higher.
Like, yeah.
Dude,
What?
this fucking Nasdaq in this 930, dude. It's fucking
Yeah,
nuts.
Nasdaq's got these. It's respecting the volume imbalance on the 1 minute from 10 a.m. though. So it's a bear sig.
Just floating profits. Love it.
You're sick, dude. God damn it.
Short, 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 short. Damn, up 24 grand on all my accounts. It's crazy, bro.
Ciao. Ciao, dude. Today is your last day at UPS.
That's right.
Crazy.
Crazy, bro. Shit's fucking gnarly. Risking, what was that? 8,600 to make 29,000. Crazy.
Why not, dude?
I mean, but fuck it.
Sick.
Yes, 1 minute IF. See ya, buddy. That 1 minute IF. Going all the way down for 54.81. Oh. I'll take you back in 3, 2. That is my setup. I'll tell you that. Probably hate me. I don't blame you. I blame me for them 2 doors. Till I sink in. 1 minute off. How you doing? How you doing, Ife? Little Eiffel Tower. MES took out the lows. Woo! Damn. Dom Daniel. There she goes. Flipper red. Flipper dipper. Great short. Great short. Let's just rock it. Rocket to the low skis. Teleport 54.81. Teleport. Teleport. Reclaim Ferreira. I'm just thinking 3 words too late. Damn girl. Now it's going to teleport. What a broke even on that trade. TP almost hit when moved my stop loss to break even. Came back, stopped me out, and now it's going off to the races. Crazy. Crazy. Teleport.
And teleport.
AES, at least the 950 macro is pretty good. 950 at the stop run all the way up into the first presented. And then just a nice cascade lower. A nice little cascade. Love to see it. What are you writing down there, Big Al?
I'm like, yo, your mom.
Nice. It's a good one right down.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, mom. Falling off of Clifford. See ya, bub. $54.80.
Next draw Nasdaq 18607.
Who said that?
Me.
Oh.
It is August 5th weekly midweek.
So it's just fucking lower. Staverson. $54.80. How you doing?
$54.80. Come on.
Spank it. Right in the
Honestly,
bum.
great price action. Great price action. You love to see it, mate.
There's 81 to the tick.
Oh.
See if it wants 80.
Come on, get heavy. Get heavy. Get heavy.
Yoink. Give me that 80, boy. Damn. 54.80 to a tick. How about it? Good little stop loss. Proof you probably hate me. I don't blame you. I blame me. Damn, it's already down 100 points, bro. From that first presented. That's 100 fucking points. That's crazy. Short. Short it, short it, short it. Oh, it's going up. Offload some. $8.15 dancing around here a little bit. Yes, how you doing? Give me that. I'm just thinking 3 words. Too late. Damn girl. What are we looking at, boys?
Dude,
In
thanks for
your
asking
face,
me.
dude. How fucking good you look, bro.
Wow. I'm looking at ES, and I think we got to make another stat lower. Get the people chasing. If we're gonna run the highs, dude, I think we should make people chase that shit more. You know,
Get the people
pretty
going.
shallow run. If we're gonna, I like the highs though, but I would definitely like to see. But I think we'll take out 1008's high on ES, and then we'll go lower. And we'll stab low of the day one more time, and then we'll run those relative equal highs. That's what I'm seeing.
Anymore. I mean, we kind of did what it needed to do already, so. Could we go lower? Absolutely. That was actually a pretty fucking high resistance, nice move though.
Dude, that was so clean. It was perfect. Love to
Oh
see
my
it.
god.
I definitely see how I could have executed and managed a trade in that and taken profits. That's what I told Ty when I first got on. I was like, yo, we're down 750 points this day before NFB. It's gonna be a perfect run. Dude, we gotta start trading the days we're not supposed to. Because they've been nuts. Big Sean, you think we're going all-time lows, right?
Yeah, bro.
Got you. What were you actually saying though? Weekly halfway somewhere?
Yeah, if you look at NQ1 and ES1, the August 5th wick.
Gotcha.
Huh.
Until that day will stand.
Oh man. Alright, boys, I gotta fucking head into work, but
No, Big Sean.
I know, bro. Hey, appreciate you,
Hey,
boys. I love you, boys.
Big
Yeah, I like
Sean.
your haircut on you, bro. I like the
What?
fade you got going there.
Thanks, man.
It's about fucking time, bro.
Here we go.
It's about time.
Finally, you match Big Al and I, bro. We've been the only two good-looking dudes on this call for way too long.
Here we go.
Just kidding, dude.
Dude, and you
Sorry,
got a
bro.
new shirt too. Looks good.
Yeah, yep. Gotta give him props for the shirt. But
Yeah,
all right, boys, stay out of the mutts. All right.
all right, big shot.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Peace, boys.
Well, 3 drops lower. Let's go one more time. Why not? Let's go one more.
Sure, bro.
Wait for 10:30. 3 drops lower.
Waiting for you, mom.
Waiting for your mama clock. Dude, one of these days, I just want to throw like a G on a trade. Just like
That'd
one of
be
my
great.
setups. Be like, let's see what happens.
That'd be great.
Yeah, just have like a great week detailing. Take some of that and just be like, clock it straight to Ninja Trader. I
Yeah, I
could
just got my
definitely see
payout
that.
from Top Step, so I was thinking about throwing it all in an Ninja Trader. Just should I like? I don't even know.
Dude, how much was it
It was like $5,000.
total or per account?
No, total. Because yeah, I was down fucking
Dude,
heavy.
put like 500 into a Ninja Trader, dude, and just send it.
Well, I could just put it into my regular Ninja Trader. Yeah, send it and then get a 1 to 2 and then get 1,000. Yeah, great.
That'd be sick.
He said that'd be sick. Yeah, let's go gamble.
It's like a little bit of gambling, but it's like educated gambling.
It's like kind of gambling, but it's like a skill gamble.
Yeah, which gambling is that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that this year at some point
Yeah.
for sure, dude.
Send it.
Yeah, just get like a $900 Venmo for cleaning a bunch of cars and be like, all right, I'm gonna take some of this and put it into
Ninja.
NQ. Retarded. This shit's been really hard though, but here we are doing it still. Sometimes trading makes me feel dumb
Why?
because I'm like, wait, how have I still not gotten this?
It's just conquering yourself, bro.
And the conditions recently have just been crazy. It's like
Well, then
it's like we were
like
taking a
don't
course on
trade.
driving a car, and they're like, all right, here's how you drive a car, take the class and everything.
It's
whenever
torrential
you're-
downpour, snowing.
Yeah, every time they're like, you schedule your first driver's lessons, they're like, ah, dude, it's like there's a tornado right outside, so you're gonna have to wait.
That's
And then every
hilarious.
time you schedule another one, dude, there's just been tornadoes for a year.
Whole
Crazy.
year.
It's unheard of. There's
A
never
year of
been tornadoes for a
tornadoes.
whole year. But here we are, dude. It's 2025, and there's been tornadoes every day for a year.
Every year.
And you think you know how to drive a car. You've taken the courses, you've been studying, you've watched all the videos on how to drive a car.
You've got behind the wheel a couple times trying to test the tornado.
Yeah, you've
out.
even gotten behind the wheel once or twice, and it went okay. And you're just still yet to have that experience of driving behind the wheel in some sunny, beautiful day with the windows down, some fucking country music on radio,
Damn, that's deep.
just waiting. Yeah, I thought about that the other day. Dude. I was like, that's what I had to convince myself because I felt dumb. I was like, yo, am I dumb? And I was like, nah, here's what's happening. You even got behind the wheel once or twice. That's funny. But that's what our 20s are about, dude. Just stretching ourselves, learning, eating shit. Literally just learning how to eat shit.
Yep. Short, 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 short.
Technically, that's the third drive lower.
Could be if you're looking long. It's all about narrative.
I think we'll go higher, dude. Just
Really?
yeah, just the narrative of NFP.
Yeah.
Everyone in your mom has gone short chasing this. We just broke out the low of the day and yesterday's low. It's like, and these relative equals.
Mm-hmm. I want there to be a day where it's gonna sound fucked up, but instead of trading like 9 micros, I've traded 9 minis. And then I'm like, oh shit, nice. I got like a
By accident. Yeah, you just managed it
$700
the
trade
same.
with like 0 drawdown. And I look at my P&L, it's a $7,000 trade. I'm like, oh fuck.
You're like, oh wait, that would unlock so many things in your brain. So you're like, oh my
Yeah.
god, the illusion of like all of this.
Yeah, literally.
You're like, wait, I just did that.
But you're telling me I could have had $1 million on this and I thought there would have been 1 micro?
Yeah, and it wouldn't have made a difference. I could have risked a milli. Every time I could have risked a milli.
Ugh.
Yeah, does this breaker count now? 1 minute break. Nice level right there.
Yeah, I mean, you're inside of it, so I guess if you're looking for bullishness.
What is it if you have a high, whatever, you really believe in her?
Yeah. If you really
You
believe
really
in her.
think, if you're really confident we're bullish, you send it right here, right now, folks. That is a 2022 most I've ever seen one. We'll see, man.
There she goes.
Double, dude. IFL inside of the market maker, fair value gap, and breaker. What the hell, dude?
Crazy. $20,000 on the day.
Dude.
No big deal.
No big deal. Times 40 accounts, whatever.
Fuck it.
That's how we just need to talk about this now, dude. Just convince ourselves it's already done.
Yeah.
It's be $20,000 on 40 accounts. Now I'm gonna go to work.
That's what fucking Jake Cap's doing right now, bro. Jake Cap just hit
know.
$11,000 on all of his accounts, bro. $250,000 day, bro. Like, fuck off, dude.
Dude, I think, and the cool part is, dude, we'll be there in like a couple of years.
Yeah.
That's it. You just gotta believe.
Little stop run right there. Tank. I'll take that breaker short if we get back down below.
I love it, dude. I love that you're
10-24.
bearish and I'm bullish. This is
I love
incredible. This is so fun, dude.
Hey,
Oh,
I'm
stop.
neutral right
Here we go.
now. I'm neutral as a bug.
Neutral as a mug.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for that breaker to form. Waiting for that old break piece.
Well, 15-second break guy's probably in there.
Well, not even there. I'm talking about the fucking 10-24 low.
Yeah. I got you. Everything keeps on changing. And I'm stuck in the middle. Between these pages. How's like the 2 minute, man? That's what I want to know. Oh,
like-
a 2 minute?
That was a 2.5 minute, bro.
Look at the 2 minute, dude. Balance
Right.
price range, IFF breaker.
How's the 110 seconds?
Nah, dude. You gotta look at the 2 minute, dude.
2
2 minute is 120 second. You
210
idiot.
seconds. Damn.
The 2 minutes perfect.
I can't do.
Just take out
20
the
seconds.
narrative that we've just been absolutely ripping lower forever. And the 2
Okay.
minute is what you, and then look at that 2 minutes in.
Yeah. Well,
Show
buy
chat
sides-
that. Show chat that, dude. Then you did.
Buy side though, if you look back at like 7 o'clock, you had 1 drive higher, 2 drives higher, 3 drives higher.
7 o'clock.
7:15 high, set 8:12
I like the-
high, and then the 9:38 high. 3 drive, 1, 2, 3, tank.
Yep. And now it's time to go destroy those highs. It's tough, dude. We're trading right in that breaker. Bearish 5 minute breaker.
You know what else
15
is
minute
tough?
breaker.
You really want to know what else is tough, Alex? I can tell you.
Yeah, your mom.
Dude, you're so smart.
Did I guess it right?
You did. I was gonna say your mom.
I love guessing shit right, dude. That's
You're
like one of
so
my.
good.
That's one of my simple pleasures, dude.
That
Guessing
is, bro.
right. It's priceless, dude.
You are the only guy I know that will actually guess, and I do appreciate it.
5 minute bear striker. I'm also neutral as a mug. Both
See
sides
what
as
wants.
fuck.
Just like your mom. Hi, resistance. Lick boy. Ho ho ho.
Alrighty. If this is where's the macro, dude? Macaroni o'clock. Oh shit, dude. So bullish, dude. Oh, fuck.
Damn.
Yeah, it's confirmed. It's
Bullish as a mug
confirmed.
o'clock.
Yeah. High of the day. Here we go, baby. High of day or bust. 1 to 9.
Patty, I did see your fucking note this morning, you little slut bag. Check this shit out. Yeah, funny. Funny, Patty. Yeah, it's kind of wild, bro. Hilarious. Ty, don't be a bitch. Hilarious, Patty. Fucking pussy. That was funny. Yeah, mom. I have no idea what limit down is on NASDAQ. No clue. Trope.
Yeah, I have no fucking idea what's happening anymore, mate.
Yeah, Patty, I'm definitely not taking the trade. Big Al, zoom out, brother. What if we zoom out? Look at the 5 and 15 real quick. Really
Oh
digest
yeah, bearish
those.
breaker. Oh, for sure. I see it, man. TP is just all-time lows. Yeah, is your homie that's in the MLB like playing still?
Mm-hmm. He's on the Dodgers.
That's like,
I have a few homies up there. I used to rip Fortnite with one of the eight or the fucking Angels pitchers.
dude, what a time to be Ty. Fortnite Ty, dude. That's crazy. And then you sold your PS5 to focus on trading.
Did I?
What an absolute dog.
I forget. Yeah, Fortnite Ty was the crack Ty.
Fortnite Ty, snorting Adderall Ty.
Never did that. That's blasphemy.
Dude, that's how you.
Blasphemy right there.
That's what do they call it? That's how you study so much ICT, dude.
Yes, sir.
Just Adderall and Fortnite. Great news, Alexander. Your tax return was accepted. I just got a text, dude. Big victory.
Big dub.
All right, all right, all right. Do, 15-minute IFN breaker. Dude, the daily chart looks insane with this gap.
Insane.
I don't even know how to trade that.
I don't blame you. I blame me.
It could buy me a boat. S&T on the lows, here we go. It could buy me a truck to fluid.
Five-minute inversion. I like to stay below that. If we can stay below that, I'm embarrassed as a mug.
5-minute inversion from 10 a.m. on the Dizzy.
No.
Is that the one? 10:25?
9:25.
9:25. Yeah, so pretty much 10. Essentially the balanced price range with 10.
Mm-hmm. Essentially. Should tank from there. Like I said, if it breaks below, it's back up into the breaker. I dig it.
Broke down and defeated.
I dig the tank.
Honestly, dude, just like pretty good price action for NFP Thursday and crazy move in the morning. It was better than yesterday's morning session.
Mm-hmm.
I would say that. Yesterday's morning session was wild. I think so often I was just like, I have no idea what's happening. That's that discomfort I get from not knowing what I'm looking at. Is something I need to just continue to work on and just be like I trust the feeling. When I don't know what I'm looking at, I don't trade anymore. But it still like fucks with me. That makes sense.
Just wait
It
till you
bothers
do
me
know
when
what
I
you're looking
don't
at.
know. Well, if I'm like looking at the market, I'm like, well, I don't know what this is gonna happen. I have no bias right now. It makes me like annoyed, I guess.
Yeah, I was gonna short that too for the 5 minute. I took it on a demo account. I put one micro, $45 risk. I took it on a demo instead. 40 points, man.
By
Moves quick.
accident.
No.
Yeah, when you don't see shit on the market, what do you tell yourself? Just wait. Like, how do you stay? You like, yeah, like, what do you say to
Well, I
yourself?
just have a plan. I just say if this doesn't happen, then I don't really care. It's just like I just had a plan here. When that run was driving higher, I said if it gets down below this, I like the short. And then it got down below it, and then I'm just waiting for that. If I would have just rocketed up, I'm like, fuck it, whatever. I'm just sitting here until something happens. Until I can actually like make a fucking case for something.
That was clear, yeah.
Yeah, until it's clear. And that's the only way I could have made it clear. And then it drove up there, took out a small buy side liquidity on the 1 minute, and then traded right into that 5 minute inversion fair value gap, and basically 5 minute order block two inside of it. And those order blocks are fucking nice when you're inside of a fair value gap. So I like it. I mean, the only reason why I didn't take the trade today because it's Thursday, NFP.
Yeah.
But any other day of the week, I mean, I'm ripping the fuck out of that. But I mean, that's what I do when I tell myself when I'm just sitting here waiting for a fucking trade or I don't know what the hell's happening. Try to frame something that would get you into a trade. It's like, hey, if this happens, then this. If you can't frame a trade right now, then maybe come back like 30 minutes later and then like check it out. Or the next macro. So more candles print. You know?
Yeah, dude. Appreciate that.
So that's it. Just framing that. Or a block. The hell's calling me? Global management. Hello. Shay Muniz, thanks. I'd short the fuck out of that again. Sell, order block, sell, sell, sell. Even relative equal lows again. I mean, that's a fucking sell and a half, bro. I don't blame you or blame me. Running front, sit, tail lights thinking. Yeah, GG's. Good sell. Very good, very good. We'll break even. See if we can get down below it. See if we can get 18, 16. Oh, it stabbed it. Didn't stab my fucking take profit. Damn. See if he gets it. Oh. There we go. Damn. Word.
Word. All right, with that, I'm gonna get off and go do something else.
Come here, buddy.
Have a good rest of your day.
I will have a good rest of my day.
All right, see you tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, peace, dog. All right, Patty, I'm getting off. I'm gonna trade here, but I'm just gonna fucking close it. Fuck it. Demo anyway. Definitely would have taken that on my live account. That would have went there. Shorted it. But Thursday, NFP. Short. Probably hate me. I don't blame you. I blame me. Three words too late. Damn girl. You're the one that got away. Dun, 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 dun. Hi, boys.